In this video, we are going to have a short tutorial on how to add a table and insert new column and rows in a Microsoft Word document. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel after watching so that you can receive every update from this channel. So let's log into our Microsoft Word document. So search here Word. We are using Microsoft Word to channel this tutorial. So you open it. So you have a blank Word document here. We are going to do how you can insert a new table and add a new column and rows in your already existing table. So let's say you have here let's say results for students in a class, and you want to add a table for this result. You come here, you go to the tab and you click on insert. You have tables here, then you click on tables. Then these are the cells for the tables. If you click on the first one, to give you one cell. If you click on two, then you drag down, give you two. Here we have two columns and about 4 rows. But if you want it to be more, let's say more rows like that, you just leave it. You click on insert, you click on tables, then you go to it. Let me undo everything again. So the class, then you click on the tables again, you come to insert table. Then in this adjustment tab, you have the number of columns you want for your table and number of rows. Bear in mind, the number of columns is the number of the vertical sections of your table. The number of rows, the number of the horizontal section of the table. So let's say if you want, let's say 2 columns, you adjust the number here to 2. Yeah, I'm sorry, I think I was increasing it. So adjust it to 2. Then if you want, let's say 20 rows in your table, you come here, then you adjust the number down here to 20. Then you click on OK. So you have your table with 2 columns and 20 rows. So let's try to limit it to have an enlarged cells. Drag it down this way. So this is your table. Let's say you have the names of the students here. Then let's say their places, and yeah, so you have your names. Let's say the name, have name A, name B, name C just for rough work, name D, and so on. So let's say the A was the place was from, let's say, the place X, the B was from, say, place Y, then place, let's say the C was from the place W, and the D was from place, let's say, Z. Yeah, so this is the drawn table for your result. And maybe you forgot, you have to add another column to maybe to place the name, the place, their ages, and maybe the rest. So you have 2 columns here. How then are you going to add a new column to these 2 columns? The columns here are the name column and the place column. If you want to add, let's say, another column for, let's say, their ages, maybe their indexes, and maybe their actual result, how are you going to do it? So it's a simple way for doing it. Just click on any cell, either here or here. So just click in the cell. Then as the cursor keep blinking in the cell, just right click in that cell. Then you come to insert. So you are coming to insert. What are you coming to insert? A row or a column? You want to insert a column. So are you going to insert a column to the right of something? Are you going to insert a column to the right of the place column or to the left of the place column? So let's assume you want to insert a column to the left of the place column. That is going to be the right of the name column. If the column comes at the left of the place column, it will be at the right of the name column. So here you come here, then you right click in here, then you click on insert. Then let's say you want to insert it to be, let's say, to the left of the place column. It's going to be in between the name and the what do you call it, the name and the place. So you click on insert. Let's say insert a column to the left of this column. You're going to have a new column here. So let's say this column is going to be named let's say here's the ages of the student. Yeah, so the places, maybe you want to insert another column to compensate for their let's see, their index numbers. Aside you right clicking in like this to insert like that, you can also use the tab. To use the tab, maybe select a particular column. Let's say this column place, let's use this one, the ages, like this. Select any cell in the age column, so select it like that. Then you go to the tab and you click on layout. This is for Microsoft Word 2010. Then you come to select button. You're going to select the whole column. So you selected the column age. Then you are going to insert a table, a column. Is it to the left of the age column or to the right of the age column? So let's say you want to insert to the left of the age column. You click on the left here, and you can also insert another column there. So you can use the tab, or you can also use the right click on options. Now let's see how we can also add a new row. Let's say here the name is for some A, B, C, D, and E, F. So we made here F, and probably there should be an E before the F. So how are you going to bring in a new E, or a new row, so that you fix in the E there? So you click on either the D or the F. So as we did earlier, just right click on that cell, right click in there, then you click on insert. Now you're going to insert a row. So the row, are you going to insert it above F, or is going to be let's see which one we use so we use D, so it's going to be below D. So you right click in there, then you click on insert, then you come to row. So it's going to be below. You're going to insert a row below D, which is going to be between the D and the F, so that you can place your E in there. So you click on the row below, and you get a new row which is in between the D and the F. Here you can place the E there. That's very simple to use and very understandable. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe after watching so you can receive every update from this channel. Thank you.